gonna have. Whoa! That was nowhere.
Pontiac has issued a severe
Who's
thunderstorm
this boy?
warning for southern Bay County in southeastern Michigan,
Bay.
Saginaw County in southeastern
Bay.
Michigan until 7:15 p.m.
Okay.
At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Breckenridge, Oregon,
Yeah, that was
9 miles
nowhere.
east of Ithaca, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Man.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Merrill around 6:15 p.m. Saginaw around 6:30 p.m. Zilwaukee around 6:35 p.m. Munger around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nelson, Swan Creek, Shiawassee National Wildlife Refuge, Carrollton, Garfield, Foster's, Arthur, Hemlock, Buena Vista Township, and Gera. This includes the following highways: I-75 between mile markers 140 and 163. I-675 between mile markers 1 and 7. Plus 10 between mile markers 135 and 139.
Well, this ain't gonna turn well.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Michigan, Bay, and Saginaw.
Okay.
Here is the fourth.
Well, that was nowhere.